North Mountain Adventures is brought to you by Wolverine Supplies, Athon Optics, Dan Beaver Traffic Supplies, CNC Rentals and Recreation, Gem Insurance, Reprimap Graphic Design, Badlands Gear, Stillwater Adventures, True North Trailers, Bankert Marketing, and these fine sponsors.
Where I live, where I lie, where I spend the rest of my life. Won't you step across that line? I'm going way outside. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm going way outside.
This weekend, we're joining Sleeve Lake Outfitters in the Inner Lake region of Manitoba for some waterfowl hunting. We have the pleasure of joining one of their groups of American clients, guides Dan, Brandon, and Keenan, along with retriever dogs Jax and Teal. This will be Hayden's first organized waterfowl hunt, so it's sure to be an exciting experience.
That's insane. Holy crap. There's gotta be 1,000.
There's a lot of birds there, and a lot flew away already.
Yeah. That
What?
is a pile of geese.
Nothing like a beautiful view of putting the birds to bed. They're coming around. Get ready.
Come back.
Yeah, they turned, headed east.
We're going to the back there. They were 80 yards, 7 of them.
That same 4 or 5 pack?
Yeah, it looked like maybe 5 to 6.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're set up here in a tilled wheat field. Was stubble a few weeks ago. They just got in here, tilled it up, and the green shoots are now coming up, and the geese just love it. So we're set up in a crosswind situation. The wind is out of the northwest, and we're facing kind of west-southwest. So we're gonna come in from the south, and we're gonna be shooting them sideways. They're coming off the lake, which is about 4 miles to the west. And the decoys we have some full bodies out front that they'll glide over top, and then we got our dive bomb silhouettes up to the north. We got a few flappers out there to get the attention away from the A-frame blind here, and it should be good. We're just waiting on the flight.
What everyone's doing now?
Going with the littles.
On the left here? Two big boys.
2 big boys. So we've had a couple groups come through, and seems like they're not really liking it. So the guides decided that they're gonna move some stuff. So they're out there changing it up.
So we're in the late season now, but normally in the early season, it doesn't really matter so much on the painted decoys. We use a lot more of the painted decoys and like non-flocked and stuff like that for silhouettes and full bodies. So now that we're into the later season with the colder mornings and foggy mornings, we try to use more of the fully flocked decoys just to keep our shine away. And it seems to be really making a difference with the late season birds here, with them getting smarter and more educated and stuff like that. So seems to be helping a lot.
Those ones are coming.
Yeah.
They're coming.
Aim at one, not the flock.
Yeah.
Get ready, guys.
Take him, you guys! Take him up front! Take him! I folded. Dad, the one I hit and it folded.
Coming back. Reload. You ready on these two? Kill him. Yeah. There you go.
Yeah! That one that just fell, I hit that one.
Oh yeah. Kill him, Jim, on that side. Whoever's on that side.
Jim.
Out the back.
Oh, nice shot!
I got that one. How about
Get ready, guys. Kill him. Come, Jack. Come. Kill him. Give it to him.
Nice, all three.
Nice shooting, guys.
Yeah, and we lifted those other ones, which is good. We needed that.
He found that bird in the bush, probably a couple hundred yards.
Good boy. Come, Jax.
Let him take it, Hayden.
No, I'll go on the other one.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's all good. Okay, there we go. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Yeah.
Hayden, take hand signals.
Yeah.
Good job.
No idea why.
Good boy.
Down, boy, down.
Nice shooting, buddy.
Thanks.
So we hunted this morning and it was good. We shot 18 birds, I believe. But, I mean, they weren't decoying the way the guys wanted them to, but that comes with late season hunting. They get a little smarter. So, anyways, they were out. A couple guys were out scouting for us while we were out hunting, and they found an awesome duck field. So we are going to head to the duck field for this afternoon. What do we got going here?
Well, we're set up for a little afternoon duck hunt here, eastern part of Manitoba right now. We're set up along a field edge and a bit of a bluff. This time of the year, you like to try to get as much cover as you can. These birds have been shot at a few times and they get a little leery of a blind right out in the middle of the field. So we're gonna try to pull the ducks to us. we got a bit of a circus going on out there. We got 5 robos going. Got a few dozen decoys out there. There wasn't any geese in this field, but it's always nice to get a little bit more, you know, it's kind of an attention grabber with a few snows out there, a few Canadas. But obviously we're, you know, targeting the mallards here this afternoon.
Take him, kill him! Freaking leaves flying. Whoop!
Dad, did you see that one? That one that folded? Shot him 3 times.
I think he shot that tree off is what he shot.
No, I'm serious. I shot him.
Here.
Greenhead anyways. Nice.
I didn't think they, honestly, I didn't think they would square up to the line like that.
Oh, they come in nice.
I know, but I called you late.
That first pass would have been the...
Yeah, the first one was definitely the right one.
Yeah. Of course, we lost our wind the second the duck showed up.
Yeah, they shouldn't be doing that.
No.
Like, not at
Can
all.
we get that?
To the right. Get ready. Kill him! Right out front! Good shooting.
Terrible.
Maybe he'll come back. No, I don't.
Good girl. Got a couple there.
Nice.
Fuck, we should have 90. Kill him!
Let's give her.
What do you think, Brandon? You found the field. It's gonna be a banger or what?
Should be a good one, yeah. But not counting the eggs before they hatch.
That's right.
What are we thinking, Steve?
What?
What are we thinking?
It's so dark.
I'm thinking that we're gonna slay him today.
Me too.
So, I guess the birds, this is where we are on the pin on iHunter, and I guess the birds were all in this area yesterday, so there's a headland, obviously, and you can see the point, so I think their plan is to set up the blinds in there, hoping that the birds are going to loop in here somewhere, I guess. But yeah, this is a nice little feature on iHunter where you can zoom in and see where you're at and where you're setting up.
Give it to me,
That one that wounded?
So as you can see, we have a south wind, so they got them all piled up there, and they left an opening in front of the blinds here. As you can see the hole. So the last 2 ducks that came in, as you've seen, they just did what they were supposed to and dropped right in that hole for like a 20-yard shot, and they both went down. They're shooting better than yesterday already. Sleeve Lake himself. Look at this.
It's me.
Master guide.
I'm quite nice.
Coming right over.
I can hear them.
God, they're dropping hard.
Are they?
Get ready.
Yeah.
Coming right over.
I can hear them.
God, they're dropping hard.
Are they?
Get ready. Get ready. Take him! Take him! Take him!
Heads up.
How many we get?
One. I got two. Nice drake right here.
Oh yeah, let's see that baby. Nice. That's a beauty.
Take him right up front.
Good job, guys. Good shooting.
Kill him. Kill him, guys.
Nice.
Don't shoot. Don't shoot, guys.
Oh yeah! I got that.
Here! Here! Right up front!
Yeah. Yeah.
6, 7.
Oh!
Good shooting, boys!
Good shooting.
Yeah.
And Lori!
Folded that one. Did you see him? I am right in front of him and.
Good girl. Come on. Give it to him! Straight up! Straight up!
I
Nice.
folded that one. Did you see that?
Yeah.
That one.
Good shooting, boys!
Yee-hoo!
Yeehaw.
Shooting, boys and girls. All right, we got the duck. It's looking pretty good. So we got some Hogs barbecue spice, and we're gonna give her a little bash all the way around to finish it up.
I've been very fortunate this season to bring Hayden on some hunts he's never experienced. Seeing him interacting with Evan's guides and American clients made it evident to me that he's not a kid anymore. Yet each time he got excited and made sure we knew he dropped a bird, still had me giggle. Waterfowl hunting can be a grind. It means incredibly early mornings, a great deal of decoy and blind setup, and tireless bird preparation. Yet all that, and still the excitement these guys have with each new flock that comes in, is a testament to the passion the Sleeve Lake crew has for what they do.
it up.
The last 2 bird seasons, I've had the pleasure of watching Evan work with his young retriever dog Teal. Ironically, she was trained by Oak Lane Retrievers, who you may recall from Mel's Lady Fowler episode. It was evident Teal was a quick learner and had a heart to work and please, yet knew when to shut it down and be a family dog. 2 months after our hunt, Teal was lost, alongside her best friend Shenzi, in a tragic accident. Losing a pet is never easy. Combine that with being your canine business partner, and it's a loss one can't imagine. The moment we heard of the news, I knew the only thing I could do was dedicate this episode to her and capture her soul in a memorial reel. I'm not sure Teal will ever be replaceable, but you can be darn sure her memory will last a lifetime.
Oh yeah! I got that.
Here! No, I